Hello, my dears. I'm Alexandra Sokolova from the real estate agency. I talk about life in Turkey and offer real estate in Mersin. Today, I want to offer you a one-bedroom apartment not far from the sea, in a new complex in the Arpaçbahşış area. The apartment has a great finish, a convenient layout, and a very attractive price. As always, I'm leaving all the details below in the info box under the video. Visit our website, check out other current listings, and don't forget to like the video. Let's go take a look. This is our beautiful front door. Very stylish. This is what our entrance hall looks like. There are 2 elevators and 2 staircases on the floor. The floor at the entrance is tiled. There is also a built-in mirrored wardrobe at the entrance. It's spacious enough for clothes, shoes, and other items. We also have an intercom system. The area is gated, secured, and fenced. Watch until the end. We'll definitely take a walk around the grounds with you. There is also a nicely sized bathroom at the entrance. There's space for a washing machine, a large sink, and a big mirror. A combination of 2 trendy tiles, a wall-hung toilet with a bidet function, and a shower with a wide drain. These are the interesting ceilings. The kitchen and living room are combined into a single space. There are designated spots for outlets and connections for all appliances. A countertop made of natural stone. Here's this stylish tile. And lots of cabinets for storage, high ceilings. There's laminate flooring in the living area. Arpaçbahşış is expected to be connected to gas in the future, so all the piping for gas heating is already in place. From the living room, there's a large terrace. Here we have a drainage system and water supply, and the external air conditioning units are placed on a separate technical balcony. So if you wish, you can glaze this terrace and enjoy each other's company here all year round. This is what the grounds look like. We'll take a walk around it together in a bit. I want to emphasize that everything is already up and running. There's also a water park and children's sports playgrounds. Unfortunately, the apartment doesn't have a sea view, but the sea is only about 500 meters away. One wall is decorated with this beautiful design. Here we have designated spots for air conditioners. The bedroom is spacious. The interior doors, hardware, and overall finish quality are all top-notch. Here as well we have designated spots for air conditioning units. Internet connectivity, convenient power outlets, and essential antenna connections are readily available. Additionally, there is a spacious and functional utility balcony. There's space for a gas boiler, water heater, washing machine, and necessary water, sewage, and electrical connections. And here are the external air conditioning units. The exact same view of the swimming pool. These are our spacious hallways. Our entrances are just as elegant. There is a ramp. The area is gated. Parking is available. Parking is open. Please park in any available spot. The parking is designed to accommodate the number of residents. There is a generator. In Turkey, power outages are an issue. This is a common problem, so the generator kicks in immediately. There are showers, gazebos, children's playgrounds with safe surfaces, and barbecue areas. You can gather with friends in these gazebos and enjoy delicious kebabs. Just bring your own meat and charcoal. Water, sewage, and the grill are all provided. There are outdoor exercise machines in case you eat too much kebab. And a children's playground. Everything is here together, all close by. Here's a slide like this. For older kids, there's a basketball court. The water park operates on a schedule. The pool is open from morning till evening. Of course, there are rules for using it. You can enter both from the building entrance and from the street. And there are instructions in Russian as well on how to behave in the pool. I hope you enjoyed the offer. Make sure to please the YouTube algorithms as well with your likes, shares, and comments. Contact us via WhatsApp or come visit Mersin. I'll be happy to see you in Mersin. See you. Bye-bye.